If you're getting an x.com or Twitter login error, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that solve the problem for most people. Login issues are usually caused by something small like a corrupted cache, a VPN conflict, or just entering the wrong credentials. So before you assume your account is locked or broken, try these steps first, and if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. First, let's start with the easiest fix. Clear your app or browser cache. If you're using the X app on your phone, open your device settings, find the app list, tap X, and then clear the cache if that option is available on your device. If you're using a browser on your computer, open your browser settings and clear the cached files and cookies related to x.com. Sometimes old login data gets stored in your browser and causes the site to keep failing when you try to sign in. Once the cache is cleared, close the app or browser completely and reopen it before trying again. Next, disable any VPNs you may have turned on. This can sometimes block login attempts from VPN traffic, or your VPN may make your location look suspicious and trigger an error. So if you have a VPN app running on your phone or computer, turn it off completely. If you're using a browser extension VPN, disable that as well. After that, try logging in again without the VPN active. In many cases, this alone fixes the problem instantly. Now let's check your credentials carefully. Make sure your username, email, or phone number is entered correctly. Then double check your password for spelling mistakes, capitalization, and any saved autofill errors. If you use a password manager or your browser is filling in the login details automatically, try typing them manually instead. Sometimes an old saved password or a typo is the only reason the login keeps failing. If you're not sure, use the Forgot Password option to reset your access and make sure you're using the right login details. After that, try logging in one more time from a fresh session. If you're on mobile, close the app fully and reopen it. If you're on desktop, open a private or incognito window and go to x.com again. This helps avoid leftover session data that may be causing the error. If the login works in incognito mode, then the issue is usually with the browser cache or cookies. If you're still having trouble, make sure your internet connection is stable and try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa. A weak connection can also interrupt the login process, but in most cases, clearing the cache, turning off the VPN, and checking your credentials will fix the x.com login error quickly. I hope this helped you get back into your account. If it did, please like the video and subscribe for more simple how-to tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.